In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Microsoft Word on Android. Sometimes when you're working on a document on your phone, you end up with an extra blank page at the end, or a section of content you don't need anymore. On mobile, there isn't a big delete page button like you might expect on a computer, so it can be a little confusing. The key idea to remember is that Word doesn't really delete pages directly. Instead, pages disappear when you remove the content that's on them, including any hidden things like extra line breaks or section breaks. First, open the Microsoft Word app on your Android device and load the document where you want to remove a page. Make sure you're in editing mode, not just viewing. If you see a pencil icon, tap it so you can edit the document. Next, zoom in or out with 2 fingers so you can clearly see the text around the page you want to remove. On mobile, the pages are more like a continuous scroll, so it helps to scroll slowly until you reach the start of the content that lives on the page you want to delete. Now, tap and hold at the beginning of that content to bring up the text selection handles. Drag the handles to highlight everything on that page. Take your time here. Scroll down until all the text, images, and even blank lines at the bottom of that page are selected. Anything that belongs to that page needs to be included in your selection. Once everything on that page is highlighted, tap the backspace key on your keyboard or choose Delete from the small menu that appears. As soon as you do that, Word will remove that content, and the page will effectively disappear. The pages below will move up to close the gap. If you're trying to get rid of an empty page at the end of the document, scroll all the way down, place your cursor at the very end, and keep tapping backspace. Often, that last page is created by extra paragraph marks or spaces, so holding backspace until the cursor jumps up to the previous page usually clears it. When you're done, scroll through your document to confirm that the unwanted page is gone, and that the remaining content looks correct. Finally, tap the Save icon, or make sure autosave is enabled so your changes are stored. That's all you need to do to delete pages in Microsoft Word on your Android device.